Where's the gossip?
She's singing. What are you doing? Hi! Hey! Hold on, let me go up before you.
Yeah, watch out. Come on.
Oops.
Yeah, okay, come on. Ready? Get the heck out of here. Woo! Come back over here. Get the heck out of here. You want to go down the big one? Ready? Let's go down the big one. Okay. Mom, she's the Grinch on Mount Crumpet. Ready? Look out, Mom. Look out, Pipe.
Did you like that?
Yay! Ready? Mom, go down the bottom of the hill.
Did you like it? Hey! You going sledding?
Go down the bottom of the hill. You guys gotta catch her. Someone's gotta catch her.
Hold on.
Down near the sheet paneling.
Did that go? Here it goes.
Go ahead, go down near the sheet paneling.
It's just like a little munchkin. Yay! Hold on, we gotta catch her.
You gotta catch her.
Hold on. Yay! Got a little bobsled! Hey! Was that fun? She looks a little concerned.
All right, let's do a lap.
Oh my God, this is so cute! Oh my God, is that adorable? That is so cute! That's the best ever. All right. Oh my God. I'm like a Virgin Mary.
Oh, we're going back up.
God, that is so funny. Like a little clamshell.
Put her up on the top again.
That was fun.
That's fun. I want to get one of those.
Put her up on the top again.
All right, well, hold on. 32 years old. Do you think that's easy?
Let's see. Let me take her for a little.
All right.
Oh my God! I didn't see that.
Up to Mount Crumpet.
Let me see. Wait a minute. I don't want to get in the way of yours.
Ready,
Okay.
Mount Crumpet?
Oh, I just got a picture with your mom in front of her.
Woo!
Uh-oh, all the way to the
Oh my God, she's like a bobsled.
Hello there. Get a picture of all four of you. We're going to get through your eyes. Close them.